straight and coming, rolling round the bend. I ain't seen the sunshine since I don't know when. I'm stuck in Folsom Prison, and time keeps dragging on. My dad's train keeps rolling, I'll never say that so. I was just a baby, my mama told me, son, always be a good boy, don't ever play with guns. But I shot a man in Reno, just to watch him die. When I hear that whistle blowing, I'm my head. Pictures so cheap from fancy dining cars. They call me drinking coffee and smoking big cigars. Well, I know I had it coming, I know I can't be free. But those people keep moving, and that's what bullshit is. Mine. Then I'm moving on a little harder the line, far from Folsom Prison. That's where I want to stay. And I'll let that lonesome whistle blow my blues away.
Just a little applause out there for the Prophet. Clap your hands in the house. Okay, Marissa, you up with them? No more songs up tonight because we're running to the end. We can take any more requests. Here you go.
Let's go for alcohol, apparently. We got married in a fever, all in a pepper sprout. We've been talking about Jackson ever since the fire went out. I'm going to Jackson, I'm gonna mess around. I'm going to Jackson, look out Jackson town.
We're going down to Jackson, go ahead and wreck your head. Go play your hand, you big talking man, make a big fool of yourself. Yeah, go to Jackson. Go comb your hair, you know.
Honey, I'm going to Jackson.
See if I can.
When I breeze into that city, people gonna stoop and bow. We got all of them women, gonna make me teach them what they don't know how. I'm going to Jackson. Turn loose my coat, 'cause I'm going to Jackson.
Goodbye, that's all she wrote. Heard the life that you in Jackson, and now they're dancing on a pony cake. Then I'll need you round town like a scarlet hound with your tail tucked between your legs. Yeah, go to Jackson, you big talking man. And I'll be waiting me in Jackson, behind my Japan fan.
Well, now we got married in a fever, all in a pepper ground. We've been talking about Jackson ever since the fire went out. I'm going to Jackson, and that's a fact. Jackson. They never coming back. Well, we got married a beaver on a pepper crowd. And we've been talking about Jackson ever since the fire went out. We're going to Jackson. And that's us back. Yeah, we're going to Jackson. They never coming back. Hell no, I ain't never coming back.
Thank you, thank you. Can we round of applause out there? Clap your hands in the house. That was good stuff right there. Okay.